I am the youth leader, Igbo speaking community here in Lagos. We are here today to console with the family of our brother and also to assess the physical feasibility of what happened based on the information reaching to us. We are briefed. I am speaking on behalf of the Igbo youth in Lagos. We are not happy over what happened, irrespective of what has happened before. We are here to make it bold and loud. That whatever may be the case, it does not worth taking woman's life. And we are not goats or fowl that you can kill at a time of your celebration or your sacrifices. We value life so much in our tradition and culture as Igbos. So we are here as the youth of the Igbo-speaking community in Lagos to lay a caution over any further occurrences of this nature. We want to state it clear to anybody, to whomever he is, because I knew even our president, Baba Tinubu, I don't think he has taken this kind of decision as a person to kill. He's a man of peace and a man of due processes. So I do not see reason why anybody should rise up at his own at any time and decide that you can take woman's life and go away with it. From information on our table here, we are made to understand that this kind of occurrences has been happening before. But because maybe nothing was done on those previous occurrences, and that is why the symptoms persist and the occurrences continue. But we are here to put a stop to it. Not only here in Ijegemo, but anywhere in Lagos State. We, the youth, will not take it any longer. We will not condone to this kind of incident anymore. In fact, based on the statement of our President General, he has told us on the youth wing to maintain peace. And that is why I have told my men to remain calm, that I should join the main body, our mother body, to be here to take the physical assessment of what happened, and I will report back to the youth wing. So our statement is very clear, that our people used to say, if anything of this nature occurs, whoever it is knows what to do. There are law enforcement agencies whom their duty is to maintain peace, law and order. So you can contact them for this kind of occurrences, or you go to court if you are not happy with whatever there may be the reason. So our statement is clear. We will no more condone to this kind of incident because it has touched us to the neck. It has gotten to our marrows. We cannot continue to bury our brothers under this kind of circumstances. We will not take it any longer. So this will stand as a warning to whomever that is at large, to whomever that is intending to continue with this kind of attitude or action over the Igbos in Lagos. We will not take it any longer anymore. So we are calling upon the authority. We are made to understand that the police is already on top of the gear. We are calling upon the IG, upon the State Commissioner of Police, the area commander, the police formation, to please do the needful, to make sure that the committers or the perpetrators of this inhuman, not only a wickedness to the Igbos, but a wickedness to humanity, taking man's life